Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve this particular differential question and calculate the value of this differentiation using the laws of differentiation. So the very first rule is that you always assign a variable to the function which you are trying to differentiate. So the function at hand here is x squared plus x plus 1 whole raised to the power 4. Now after that, what we do is on the left hand side here we reassign the function by some other variable. So let us say that the value of v is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. So now what that will do is it will reduce the question in a single variable kind of a format. So as you can see, the question now is considerably reduced. So after this, what we are going to do is use a concept that if we want to calculate the value of dy by dx, then that can be written as dy by dv multiplied by dv by dx. So all we need to do is calculate the value of these two terms and kind of resubstitute them on this side. So let us start calculating the values, and then we'll resubstitute them in the original equation here. So for example, the very first thing that we need is dv by dx. So for that, we'll differentiate this particular equation. So d by dx of v is equal to d by dx of x squared plus x plus 1. So this will be dv by dx is equal to, we'll differentiate this, so this will be 2x plus 1. Let us say this is equation number 1. Now in the second part, the value that we have is y is equal to v raised to the power 4. So let us calculate the value of dy by dv, which will be 4v cube. Let us say this is equation number 2. Now all we have to do is substitute dy by dv and dv by dx in this equation right here. So this will be equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dv, which is 4v cube, then this is multiplied by dv by dx, which is 2x plus 1. Now initially the value of v was x squared plus x plus 1, so we resubstitute that here. So that means the value of dy by dx comes out to be 4 multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. And this right here is the final answer to this particular problem. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.